Chicken Tikka Masala is one of my family's favorite go-to dinners, whether it is a special occasion or a gourmet weekday meal. I was so excited to use chicken breast from US Wellness Meats with my spices. I love that the package was well wrapped and all the items were shipped with ice and frozen. I used 2 pounds of the chicken breast and loved that it was so easy to cut. It was already hand trimmed. I just couldn't wait to use the chicken breast with my seasonings and easy recipes. I typically marinate 2 to 3 pounds of chicken with my chicken tikka masala, and for best results, marinate this at least for 2 hours or overnight. It's super simple to make the marinade. Add spices marked step 1 to yogurt and mix along with lemon juice. Add the marinade to the meat and mix well. Now that the meat has been marinated, we're going to bake it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350. You only need to half bake it because we'll be finishing it off in the sauce. Make sure to use a baking pan that is slightly deep because there's a lot of liquid that comes off of the chicken. Now we're going to make the sauce with the step 2 spice packet. Making the sauce is super simple. All you have to do is chop up jalapeno and garlic to prep for the sauce. Saute garlic and jalapeno in butter and add step 2 spice packet. Omit adding jalapeno if you want the curry to be mildly spiced. Add tomato sauce and heavy whipping cream. Simmer the sauce about 15 minutes or so, and then you can add the chicken into the sauce. Use a slotted spoon to scoop up the chicken for maximum flavor. Simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes till the chicken falls apart easily. Garnish with cilantro if desired and serve with white rice, preferably white basmati rice, coconut rice, or even use it as a filling in tacos. It's absolutely delicious. Wow, it's amazing. This chicken breast by US Wellness Meats is absolutely phenomenal. It is so tender and juicy. I love it. I hope you enjoy this delicious dish as much as my family does.